Hey folks, Adam Anderson, CEO here. Turns out the best cybersecurity is boring cybersecurity. Hackers don't really recreate anything. Most of the stuff that's out there is old stuff, so if you want to be 99% safe, all you have to do is let your computers and your devices automatically patch. This is when you get an update and it says, hey, we want to reboot your computer, we want to reboot your iPhone, etc., etc. Just let it happen. If you can configure it to automatically do that, then you're protecting yourself from 99% of the garbage out there. And it's brain dead simple. Just get it done, make it happen. However, I myself was in the middle of creating a really great presentation. I mean, it was superb. I kept getting this alert. Hey, you need to patch your machine, you need to patch your machine. I gotta admit, I didn't do it. I didn't have anything bad happen. I did get to it. I configured it to happen at night. So there really isn't any excuse. Just click on the thing, delay for it to happen, and let it go. Rock on.